traders, y'all know dreycosting, back to you with another banger. Euro USD. Alright, so look at this from the H4 level, right? For Euro USD. These are the areas of interest that we're looking at. So here we have, let me widen this a little bit. So here we are on the zone at 1.10119, right? We also have a area of interest that we're looking at 1.09433, and the final one at 1.08026, right? Truth be told, once again, just like yesterday, I'm more inclined to look for a sell into this free space right here to play back to this demand level right here, right? So I'm gonna take profit somewhere around here once I can get this sell type of setup. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. But possibly if it looks to continue up, then I'll probably just take a sharp move up to here. All right, possibly, but I'm more inclined to look for the sell than the buy. I'm really not interested in taking buys on EU. I'm more interested in taking sells on EU. So let's break it down on the 30th, but I'm just showing you how it looks from the H4. So this is the structure, all right? So this is the structure that we're looking at: shift, retest higher low, shift, retest higher low. I'm looking for this low to break structure to come back down to here, somewhere down to here long term to fill out this free space, right? So that's what I'm looking at, right? So let's just see where it goes, right? Possibly that it can continue up now. The market can do anything it wants to do, but notice that it come back to this low right here, expecting this low right here. So let's just see. All right, so let's jump to the 30 and see how we look. All right, so we're on the 30 minutes, right? Let's bring it up. So notice that there is no type of movement for today. Realize choppy market, right? So no type of movements like that. Let's look on the calendar, right? What we have for tomorrow. You know, for Euro USD, we're going to look at our pre-London, London open, pre-New York, New York open. So we have no form of news in pre-London, London open for Euro USD. However, we have some Euro news around little bit before pre-New York. So I'm more inclined to look to see what's going on for Euro USD around pre-New York, New York open, right? Let me see around New York open, not much, right? So it's more possibly we could get some form of move around pre-London, London open. You have to just see what type of action the market is giving you. But here we just have a slight little news around little bit before pre-New York. So pre-New York will be kicking off at 6, right? Pre-New York will be kicking off at 6. But we have a slight little news that probably might set up structure to ready for pre-New York 6, right? So watch me now. If you're going to go for the buys on Euro USD, right? Allow this to happen, right? Allow it for it to push, break this high right here, retest, create some form of double bottom or something, or some form of higher low, right? Form supports, all right? Bearish candle closure, wick at the bottom, bullish candle closure, wick at the bottom, and then you look to continue for your buy to here at, I would say, 1.1005, right? Why you want this type of double bottom action is that you want to ensure that this zone here is really holding, right? You want to ensure that this zone is really holding, right? So that's the type of action I'd like to see from Euro USD, right? Because already retest about the zone, right? And we are pre-Asian, so that I don't want it to do this type of action break here, this high, come back, test about the zone, and then I look to continue up. So on that circumstance, I would buy Euro USD, and then you look for a move at somewhere around a 40 pip move, right? I could take 30 pips there, but I'm not interested in the buys, right? I'm more interested in the sell, taking out this low right here, right? So that would be nice. So what I would like to see is for price to break this low right here, take out this low, right? Volume definition of an uptrend, right? Retest back into the supply zone, form a lower high, right? Confirm the basic trading for a downtrend, right? So resistance to be formed, bullish candle closure wicks at the top, bearish candle closure wicks at the top, and then I look to enter here in anticipation of breaking the trend to continue down, right? So that's what I will look for on EU, right? And have all of this space to continue down, right? So from here to here now, we're looking at a 126 pip movement. You follow me? So roughly you can easily pick up a 50 pips, 70 pips, 80 pips on this type of movement, right? So allow it to come back. So it come back here and touch trend. So you come back, touch trend. Follow me. So you come back, touch trend, allow it to come back here, touch trend. But when you come back now, see if resistance is formed, right? Once resistance is formed, then now you can look for stop loss over here, right? Protected by the supply zone, right? And look to continue though, right? So that's the type of entry that I would take on EURUSD. And once again, you must allow these patterns to play out. This is what you call confirmation, right? This is what you call confirmation. You must allow these patterns to play out before you enter. This is what you call confirmation, right? You can't just jump in and just want to trade like that. It doesn't work like that, right? You have to allow confirmations to play out before you look to enter, right? So possibly move at pre-London, London open, but it's highly more probably move around pre-New York, New York open based on what we're seeing on the movement economically, right? So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I answer each and every comment. I'm here to help each and every trader and trade it. Until tomorrow, straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.